Open Start and type %temp%. Highlight everything and delete. Open Start and type run. Type temp. Highlight everything and delete. Open run again and type prefetch. Once again, highlight everything and delete. In C drive, open Windows folder and search for software distribution. Open the download folder. This is all Windows upgrade files that you no longer need as you already installed these updates. In Start, open Command Prompt. Type IP config flush DNS. Go in My Computer, right-click on C Drive, Properties, and select Disk Cleanup. Make sure to select everything and click Clean Up System Files. Open Command Prompt. Type wsreset.x. Wait until the Microsoft Store opens. In Settings, go to Privacy and Secure. Scroll to Location and clear location history. Go to C Drive. Make sure to check Hidden Items under View, Show, and click Hidden Items. Go to App Data, Local, and search for D3DS Cache. Delete all folders. In Start, type System Protection. Click on C Drive, Configure, and delete all restore points. To clear your browser cache, open Browser, go to Settings, Secure and Privacy, and select Clear Browsing Data.